Yeah. So John Zimmer and Logan Green are the current president and CEO of Lyft, stepping down. A lot of you had mentioned this to me the other day when it came to what we're about to show, which to me it seemed that way, where it seemed like they were being pushed out, whether it was something from the shareholders, the board, but it actually seems like it may have been partly to do with employee dissatisfaction on their end of things on running the company. So it might have been that the employees had a little bit to do with it when coming to both Logan Green and John Zimmer stepping down as CEO and president, and now Risher taking over.
Yep. We're going to hit this like in 30 seconds, minute. So my good friend Pritika Rana at Wall Street Journal, amazing journalist. Really, I trust her with every word she says, and she doesn't put any fluff out there. She calls it the way she sees it. She's not really too friendly to Uber and Lyft either, and actually she has a massive article coming out where I'm in it and quoted me extensively. So thank you, Pritika. I appreciate it. They figured out, they said, there was a revolt going on actually within the company on every hands-on meeting that these two founders put on. And, when they exited, they made it look like, we're just going to pass on the baton now, and I was like, I never bought it. If you're running it that way, why do you need a new guy? But I think the pressure from within, the morale of the company, the existing employees, obviously the performance probably is taking a hit. And unequivocally, it says right here, a RideShare company has struggled with competition from Uber. Some people within the company had been questioning the leadership of its co-founders, Chief Executive Logan Green and President John Zimmer, for months now. Some investors and stock analysts also had urged change. Yeah, I mean, look, we've been saying that too on Show Me the Money. And obviously, there was a lot of pressure from within. Look, whatever it is, Chris, there's a new sheriff in town. Let's trust the new sheriff for a couple of months, a quarter, maybe two, because I don't know if they have enough cash to do that. But let's just allow this guy to have some success and clean house some more and cut costs some more. Look, if his ultimate goal is to sell the company, he's going to do what he's going to do. He's not going to, the first day he shows up at the job, say, my job is to clean it up and sell the company. Of course, he's not going to do that.
Otherwise, you'll just see it go like this.
Otherwise, all the employees will take off, right? So to me, it's like, hey, let's give this guy a break. Let's see how it goes.
Yeah, it's definitely going to be interesting, though, to see how things do shake up over the next couple of months. But either way, it could have been some dissatisfaction with the employees. Obviously, there was a little thing at the bottom of that article on the one screenshot that said some shareholders were also kind of urging that as well. And this is basically because you looked at the last earnings call, you saw two completely different calls when it came to Uber and Lyft. Uber was positive. It was looking like it was going to be in a profitable situation soon. Things were rebounding. Things were growing. Things were beyond what they expected. Lyft was trying to make up some excuses on things, and you could clearly see the divide between the two. So I think that played a lot into this whole thing of what's going on in their current situation there. All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.